That's a relevant question. Atul Vasan, how much more time?
Thanks for coming to me, Arnab. Yeah, I've got you. I was just hoping that I'll get my cardboard cut out with a nodding head and just keep it here, just listening. I could have watched the program better on telly. But anyway, I mean, the question, the premise of the show was, why aren't people speaking out, the big icons and all? And I can understand that. And I'll go down memory lane. I was thinking, in my time, last 25, 30 years, I've been associated playing, there have been few instances which just, clarifies why this is happening. Players went to West Indies, from West Indies to America, they were banned, they got together, their names were written, few players were hounded out. Then when Mohinder Amarnath was dropped, 1990 tour, there was a revolt. The board created a parallel team in the night, and the players who were most vigorous in that, their names were noted. Shrikant was dropped the next tour. Then, you come to ICL, players were hounded out, their livelihood taken.
So people are scared.
Protect their product.
So people are scared.
Proactive, So they say, so that's, anybody, yeah, of course, I mean, you can't expect. They know that how vindictive the board is, they hound the people who speak against them. Either they're given cushy posts, or they're given some assignment, and then that's taken care of.
But I'm sure you're not scared, so what is your view?
Whatever you can do.
I'm sure you're not scared, so what is your view?
My view is...
Yeah.
No, because, I don't have any agenda. I do my own thing.
Yeah, so what's your view?
Part of me, and I've moved on to other things. The most they can do is stop my pension. But my view is, I agree with you, but I don't agree to the radical viewpoint sometimes you have, where, let's burn everything down.
Who said let's burn everything down?
Because we
one second. Atul Vasan.
Know how things work.
Atul Vasan.
No, you say remove this, do this,
Atul Vasan.
That's
No, Atul Vasan, for God's sake.
Yeah.
Your attempt to present me as some kind of a combustible anarchist is not a good idea, because I don't use words like let's burn everything else down, and much as you want to present me as a child of rage, I'm asking very direct questions.
Not literally.
Please don't obfuscate the issue. Yes, Sohail.
Yeah.
Sohail?
Yeah.
I
just want a balanced viewpoint where
what's gentlemen, everyone in Saad bin Jung has not spoken.
Can I answer?
Boria, I'm coming to you. Sahel said coming to you. Saad bin Jung hasn't spoken. Saad bin Jung, where do you stand today? Why is everybody being so indirect?
Chaps. Yeah, just 1 second. The issue is here that you really, I love the man, for heaven's sake. Just look at him. He's done to the board what the board's been doing to the world for the past so many years. And the board can't take it. It's ridiculous. Look at that. I forget his name, the Honorary Secretary of the Maharashtra Board.
Yeah.
It's amazing, we need to understand that the politicians have no place here. I'm sorry to say this.
Well
the politicians, whatever they're saying it for some other political reason. And I have absolutely no compunction in saying that they should back off. No, I'm not saying that. I'm saying the people who are part of the board. I'm saying whoever they are, they have no right. They should back off. Why don't we bring in the professionals, for heaven's sake? Why don't we make it more transparent? And why don't we make it more answerable? Bring in the professional.
Why don't you
You've got the professional cricketer. You've done away with the amateur. You've done away with the amateur. Now what? Bring in a professional cricketer, bring in a professional CEO, and let him be answerable. Please, let's...
Come on, that's it. Shirke will anchor news, you run cricket.
One second. Sohail. Yes, Sohail. You've been wanting to come in. Why don't you
run cricket? Huh? Let Shirke anchor Newsa. So Newsa will be pliant.
But I love it. I can't handle the seven
and
of you.
And you will kick butt.
I can't handle seven reasonable men on the program. So leave alone do anything else. One second. Sohail, let's get serious. We've got an opportunity here. The phone lines are opening up. Arjuna
Ranatunga. Can I just answer that question?
The
question was particularly specific.
You said Ranatunga and Atul Vasan.
Let's give him a chance. Yeah.
Suhail, can I just answer the question very quickly? Arnab posed a question.
Please.
The question was from the viewer that if you've gagged the Indian captain who's going to take the Indian flag, 2 days later, in fact tonight, when they land in the UK, Australian journalists, English journalists, world journalists will ask questions. Will you gag them? Will you expose the Indian captain in front of them and then make a mockery of yourself in front of the world?
You
cannot gag them.
Well said. Sohail next. Yes, Sohail.
You won't come in front of them.
You have to. It's
Can I tell you,
it's compulsory press conference. You've got to come.
One second, Boria, one second, please.
Yesterday, the BCCI for over a week insulted the mind, the honesty, and the courage of the Indian public. Yesterday, they made the Indian captain look like a man with feet of clay. They made him look impotent, they made him look docile, but most importantly, they made him servile to their cause of bullying, to their cause of not listening to the real voices of this country. I felt sad for MS Dhoni. I felt even sadder that our country has an Indian cricket captain who can't speak to his own people of the media corps because he is gagged by a president who refuses to see beyond his nose and beyond the coffers that his family would fill.
Arjuna Ranatunga.
That is my worry.
No, watch it. Boria, Sohail, I agree with you to some point, but I don't think many people have any sympathy for Dhoni. Dhoni chose to be quiet. Dhoni was trying to look cute out there, and everyone was telling him that if you are going to smile your way through this, you're going to have to answer the people of this country. My question to Arjuna Ranatunga is this: Mr. Ranatunga, you've been captain. Can a captain be treated like that? Can a captain be censored like that? What do you think?
Yeah, you are under the cricket board, but you should remember that you are representing 1 billion people in India.
Yeah.
You are the leader for the entire Indian nation.
That's well said.
And when you are the leader, you should know how to tackle the issues. If you can't tackle the issues, you should never come in front of media. I think he should have done this in a different manner. I'm sure that if he comes out and say, gentlemen, I'm going for a very important tournament, please let me go and play this tournament and win. I'm sure all the media guys will pull out, but the way that he was handling, I don't think he looks a professional guy. I'm sure that a lot of might have come to him from the cricket board, especially from the top. And I feel very sorry for Dhoni because I have a lot of respect for Dhoni, and I'm sure that none of the captains should go this particular.
Well, I think it's a personal choice. Mr. Ranatunga, that's, hats off to you. I think you put it out so clearly, and a lot of people felt personally insulted when that was going on yesterday. It wasn't about not letting Times Now ask a question. It's about gagging people. This has, however, gone on. This has gone on.
Can I say something?
No. Yes, Mr. Jung. Yes.
Arunab,
yeah, Mr. Jung.
Something. Arunab, if you look at the question of gagging, I think a lot of the boys are forgetting that when the board signed the contract with the players in 79 or 80, around then, the first sentence was gagging the players. They have not been able to speak out from the first contract that they've signed. So why are we finding fault with Dhoni? Everyone, like from Sunil Gavaskar to name it, they've all been gagged.
Can I say something to this?
From 79. Why are we not
Arnab,
add to what Saad is saying?
Yeah, Mr. Vasan. Sohail, coming back to you. Mr. Vasan.
Can I just add something? I just remembered another instance, Mansoor Ali Khan Pataudi. He actually with so much effort tried to get the Players Association, and I was a part of it. And most of the players, senior players, with the huge credibility, Rahul Dravid, Anil Kumble were part of it. And at the last minute, they dumped Tiger at the altar, and everybody just ran away, and the whole process collapsed. So the board didn't even let the association being formed for the players. So they've got this quality of controlling everything, and they're very overprotective about their product. But I just feel that protocols and processes
are their product.
Overprotective.
It's not their.
It's not
even a product. It's a passion. It's not a product. Hold on, Arnab. It's a passion. It's not a product. It's a billion cricket fans' passion. It's the country's only secular religion. Don't call it a product.
Okay.
Do you agree?
Okay.
One thing. Can I say something? Boria, do you agree one thing? That, nobody, no matter who you change, can indemnify against corruption. So we should live with this fact and then work around this.
One second. One of our panelists tonight.
To fight it.
Yeah, Krishna Swamy takes on Atul Vasan. Yes, Krishna Swamy.
Listen, I would say, how can we say we have to live with corruption? We have to keep fighting. Even if we keep losing, we still have to keep fighting. We can't indemnify against it. I agree with it, but we still have to keep fighting.
I think that's
Look at this man. Srikanth lost a job once, so now he doesn't speak. There was a time when Srikanth lost his captaincy, his place in the team, and now he's decided he will never contest against the board. He will never even face them. He will never even contradict them or say anything with the board. Because he lost his captaincy once.
I want to say one thing about Srikanth. I have great respect for Mr. Srikanth. But I am told that Mr. Srikanth is going to appear on a dance reality show in the next few days. Now, if Mr. Srikanth can appear on a dance reality show, which is his right to do so, he also needs to think about whether he needs to take a position on an issue such as this. this goes beyond, you know, this is the biggest spectacle that is going on. No, the question is this, you see, Sohail, suggestiveness does not work even in movies.
He will do very well in the dance reality show. He will do very well in the dance reality show because all his life he has danced to the tune of a corrupt ruling board. He will just add that extended facet that he's picked up. But on a more serious note, what Mr. Ranatunge said is so valid. We have made mice out of real men.
That's true.
We have allowed men who are icons for young people, who are role models for young people, to look shallow, hollow, and weak. This is not a country that needs this kind of brand descriptor of people. Srinivasan alone hasn't harmed the game. We have allowed people like him to run riot, to run boards such as these with an iron fist. We are discussing cricket because it's the most important sport in India. I'm sure this happens with all the hoodlums who run sports bodies in this country.
You see, no, but
that is the tragedy.
But Sohail, you know, suggestiveness does not work even in movies. What's happening out here is that people are being suggestive. I'm sorry to say this, Mr. Shirke, I have my great respect for you. More respect for you because you're on Newsa. I know 1,000 other BCCI officials
Mr.
who have
Shirke,
personally...
if you resign on Newsa, your popularity will increase.
Come on, you don't have to take it that far.
What about me, Arnab?
I will contribute whatever you want to your channel.
No, one second. Mr. Shirke wants to say something. Yes, Mr. Shirke.
If you allow me a minute, I would like to summarize.
Yeah.
Now, there were several things that have been mentioned and I have heard all the viewpoints. All that I would like to say is that for me, my reputation comes first. We are watching the scene evolve and I am personally very closely watching it evolve, and I will always never hesitate to take any steps that I need first to protect my integrity and my reputation and to protect what I feel will be in the long-term interest of the board.
One second.
One second,
Mr.
Without
Shirke.
taking anybody's side or being on anybody's side or being a diplomat or anything that you have accused me of, or even people saying that hoodlums running this board. Well, that's a very sad comment to make about without knowing me or having known.
Well, that's a,
See, I don't want this. Why do I need this? I don't need this.
All I'm saying is,
I don't need
don't
this.
say my integrity.